Imagine you're all set to binge watch your favorite show on Vivid, but then you realize you're not using it as much as you thought you would. Or maybe you found a new streaming platform that better suits your needs. Whatever the reason, canceling your Vivid membership might be the right choice for you. But how do you do it? Let's find out. Have you ever felt trapped in a subscription you no longer use? It's like being stuck in a never-ending loop of autopayments. Today, we're going to break free from that cycle and learn how to cancel your Vivid membership. Vivid offers a wide range of adult content, from movies and TV shows to live cams. While it can be a great way to spice up your life, it's important to evaluate whether it's still the right fit for you. Maybe you're concerned about privacy, or perhaps you've simply outgrown the content. Whatever the reason, canceling your membership is a simple process. Step-by-step guide. Log into your account. The first step is to access your Vivid account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Vivid website. Enter your login credentials and click Login. Find the membership settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings or Account section. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Locate the cancellation option. Within the settings menu, you should find an option related to your membership. It might be labeled as membership, subscription, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Cancel your membership. You'll likely be presented with a page that provides information about your membership. Look for a button or link labeled Cancel Membership, Unsubscribe, or something similar. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. Confirm your decision. Vivid might ask you to confirm your decision to cancel. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental cancellations. Read the confirmation message carefully and click Cancel or Confirm to proceed. Check your email. After canceling your membership, Vivid should send you a confirmation email. This email will serve as proof of your cancellation and provide additional information about your membership status. Additional tips. Review your billing information. Before canceling, double-check your billing information to ensure it's accurate. This will help prevent any issues with refunds or future charges. Consider pausing instead. If you're not ready to cancel your membership completely, Vivid might offer a pause or hold option. This allows you to temporarily suspend your subscription without canceling it. Contact customer support. If you encounter any difficulties during the cancellation process, don't hesitate to contact Vivid's customer support. They can assist you in resolving any issues and ensuring a smooth cancellation. Canceling your Vivid membership is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can easily terminate your subscription and regain control of your online viewing habits. Remember to review your billing information and consider pausing your membership if you're unsure about canceling completely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.